Allah says in the Qur'an, in Surah Muhammad, chapter number 47, verse number 24, Allah says, أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ الْقُرْآنَ. Do they not ponder over the Qur'an? Or are their hearts locked up? Allah is saying that don't you ponder over the verses of the Qur'an, or are your hearts locked up? Allah says in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 159, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He makes the signs clear, after it has been revealed to you, and made the guidance clear, and if you conceal them, Allah's curse is on you. Allah says, those who conceal the signs after it's made clear to you, and the guidance after it is given to you, Allah's curse is on such people. Allah says in Surah Furqan, chapter number 25, verse number 30, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he says that these are my people who took the Quran for foolish nonsense. Imagine the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying that these are my people who took the Quran for foolish nonsense. But naturally, the context of the verse is talking about munafiq. But unfortunately today, we have Muslims who yet take the Quran for foolish nonsense. Na'uz billah.